What's going on, you guys? In today's video, we're going to check out the DuelSense Edge wireless controller. Let's see what we got here. Perfect your gameplay. Get an edge on gameplay by creating your own custom controls to fit your playstyle. Man, I've been waiting for this controller for so long. On Call of Duty, there's a ability to remap the controls at the very top, but I always confuse the two. So I need this button to not have as much push. I need it to be basically like this, or even quicker. And I think my ability to get an edge on the people is going to really improve. But anyway, let's get into the box. Now keep in mind, you guys, I have a bunch of unboxing videos. I got the PlayStation Portal. I still need to do an unboxing on customizations to my PS5 Slim, but I'm trying to wait for Sony to release some of this new stuff before I do one. It's a nice box. Got the paperwork up top. I'm not even gonna dig in there. We're gonna figure it out. Oh man, this is nice. Now this is what 200 bucks should get you, man. Oh man, look at this case. This is nice, yo. That's a heck of a shell, but it's heavy, man. Imagine putting this in a bag with your PlayStation 5 when you're going on a vacation or something like this. The bag alone is gonna be heavy. You're about to really pay some money, especially if they're going by weight. All right, so from what I understand, there's a little part right here that opens up, if I'm not mistaken. Let's see if we can get it open. Let's see, we open that portion up and then you charge from here by just plugging it up to the controller, which is pretty dope. It doesn't need a case to charge it. That's a little extra. Then if the case ever goes out, then you have to replace the case. So I like that Sony did that. This is a hard shell, baby. Oh man, look at this. Yo, this is nice. Okay, so we got the charging cable up top. I don't even want to take that out, but goodness, let's see what we got. We got USB-A to USB-C for the controller, and that's for charging purposes. This is a nice thick braided cable. That's pretty dope. So we got a QR code here. Let's see what this QR code is hitting on. Right? Oh, it just takes you to PlayStation.com and some sort of controller support. It just shows you, personalizing your controller, how to swap DuelSense Edge wireless controller stick caps, how to attach half dome back. Okay, it basically shows you tutorials with this QR code right here, which is pretty nice. Here's the actual controller. Oh my goodness. Yo, the weight on this bad boy. This feels good. We got the PS5 logos with the squares, the circles, the X's, and the triangles right here making out. I don't even know if you guys can see that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at the detail. And again, it feels so sturdy, yo. We got the buttons right here. Oh man, okay. We got the buttons in the back right here that are interchangeable, and this is exactly what I want the controller for, because if you see, you pull down on the triggers and that's a tenth of a second that'll save you in a gunfight or any game. And of course on this particular controller it does not have that, which is what I'm looking forward to. And then you put the added controls right here in these particular sections right here. But again, this top portion is what I'm looking for, and I'm looking to customize one of these buttons as my circle or slide button on Call of Duty. But so far, if I can just put that, oh yeah, I feel it. So I can adjust this. I feel it. Now it doesn't even take that much. It's not that much travel. It's just like pressing this button up here. Whereas if I put it back, it travels all the way down, as you can see. Then I adjust it again all the way down. Now it just travels right there. That's dope, yo. I'm ready, yo. I'm ready already. Hold up. I'm getting excited, man. I'm not even gonna lie. I'm getting excited. Bro, this is a beautiful controller. Look at this. Like side by side, I mean, there's not much difference, but the black buttons for me is a plus. The black D-pad right here is a plus for me. I don't know if it's called a D-pad or not, but whatever, the directional buttons. I like this gloss finish right here. I know a lot of people said that they didn't like this, but I like that. Would I play with it off? Probably so, but as of right now, I like it. The top portion, charging ports, everything is pretty much the same. but again, I can feel the weight of this. Like there's individual modules or something on here as opposed to this. This is heavy, but this is big boy heavy right here. I cannot wait to hook this up to my PlayStation. Yo, as soon as I finish this video, it's on and popping. But anyway, let's see. So these are the interchangeable back buttons right here. They're gonna be right here. And basically you just put them in the back, whichever ones feels right for you. Let's see if I can put them in. Right, did I have to spin? Nope, I didn't have to spin it or nothing. It just kind of went in. Slap these in. Let me see how that feels. Oh yeah, I like that. I like that. I'm barely pressing them. If I can customize that into a button, that'd be absolutely 100% dope. Oh yeah, so we have other ones like these right here. I may try those out, but I kind of like these little tabs now that they're in the back. And let's see how easy they are to take out. Maybe I should have read the directions on how to take them out. Oh, yep, just kind of lift up and pull them out. So if I put this one back in here and kind of put, see if I wanted to put this one in, just trying to see how easy that is to kind of put this button in. This one in like that. Oh, okay, let's see. For me, that's a little bit up too high. When I'm playing, I want to be able to kind of feel it at the very bottom right here, as opposed to having it way up here. So that one's gonna be a little too high for me. All right, so we have these right here, which I don't really like. And we have interchangeable ones like this right here. So I think I'm gonna like these better. Let's see what this is right here. I honestly don't know what this is. I'm gonna have to look this up. Okay, so I'm not gonna lie, I had to research it. So what you do is you take your USB-C PlayStation controller, you slide it in, and it falls right into places. Now that it's locked in, you put it into the top portion of the controller like that, and then you lock it in. The prongs go inside of the controller, it's locked in. That way, when you're jumping around and moving around, it's not gonna pull itself out of the controller and basically your controller dies. You can lock your controller cable inside of the controller. So basically some prongs come out. These prongs, I don't know if you guys saw that. Let's see, let's unlock, let's lock it back. Some prongs just came out of there. See, I can, boom. And those prongs go at the top of the controller on either side of the charging port, and they basically lock themselves into the controller. That's dope. That's dope. Anyway, if you found this video useful or informative, again, it's just an unboxing video. Next week is going to be more how-to videos. As always, if you have any questions about anything that I feature on my channel, just drop a question and we are going to figure it out ourselves, and probably I already know. Anyway, this your boy Tate. I'm gone. Peace.